Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the Equalizer preset in your Teufel Real Blue headphones. Here we have our Teufel application itself, and now we have tab and then there are some music. As you can see, some music application. Let me search for my music quickly. And now just have to play something, because as you can see, without playing any music we can't edit our Equalizer. So if you are playing some music, you can enter that. Here in Equalizer we can see neutral, podcast, bass boost, classic, rock, treble boost, pop, techno, etc. Here we have neutral, and we can modify it itself. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.